Esther. Look, he's a carrot. Thought you liked carrots.
I do.
This is all of them were a prank, weren't they? They were pranks. You're laughing.
This I wouldn't want, but I want Barbie. Yeah. And tell her.
Do you like those presents?
Tell her why he said he wants that for his birthday. He said that.
Do you like that?
He loved you, Mom. And here I give her the book. This is your present. And then he said, "You're good to me."
Did you like it?
Yes. He afterwards bounced the ball. Get the ball!